Start na tayo.
You're in.
Para hindi kayo malito na dyan. Tingnan nyo yung screen nyo. Ready? Mga tanong tungkol sa school DRRM.
Ay ka.
Combination of all the strength, attributes, and resources available within an organization to manage and reduce risk. Is it vulnerability, capacity, exposure, or hazard? Go! Bilisan po, 20 seconds lang po nyo i-click ang sagot. Bilisan po, bilisan. Magta-time na. Ang sagot ay capacity. Okay? It's the capacity of the school to determine the combined strength, attributes, and resources. What is your capacity to implement disaster risk? Sagot ay capacity. Sino ang mga top 5 scorers natin on the board? Congratulations, Ma'am Liovi, Hunter, Rose, sino si Let's Go, and E-Learns. Okay, habang inaantay natin yung mga sumasagot pa or nag-a-attempt na pumasok, nakapasok na po ba lahat? Sino pong hindi nakasagot ng 20 seconds para maturuan anong gagawin? Kayang-kaya na po ba? Natameme, lahat. Natameme. Okay, question 2. Pabilisan ng pagbasa. Conditions determined by the factors which increase the susceptibility of an individual to hazard. Susceptibility. What is the keyword? Seven seconds. Kulang pa. Okay. Vulnerability is susceptibility. Okay? You are susceptible means you are vulnerable to hazards. Hunter now on the first place. Let's Go on second. Liavi on third. E-Learns, Emmy. Sinong bagong kakapasok? Emmy. Kumusta ang mga scores natin? Let's. Question 3. It is a serious disruption of the functioning of a community due to regardless of events leading to widespread losses and impact. Answer is disaster. Okay, that losses, create losses and wide impact to our environment, family, and health. Hunter 27, Liavi 27 din. Let's go 26. Learn 25. Emmy 25. Ses has this 3 correct answer. Question 4. These are the activities and measures to avoid existing and another disaster risk. When we avoid, it's prevention and mitigation. Prevention, preparedness nandyan na, So, prevention and to mitigate, meaning to stop. Hindi naman totally stop. No, we cannot stop actually any disaster, but we can mitigate its extreme force or extreme damage. Okay. Hunter 3-6, Let's Go 3-5 James 3-4, Jang 3-4, and Learn 3-3. Combo breaker. 4 participants drop their answers in a streak of 3. 5. Question 5. The knowledge and capacity developed to effectively anticipate, respond, and recover from all the impacts of disaster. The knowledge and capacity recover from various
Yes, mo ba? Talent niya.
preparedness is the answer. Ala, preparedness, hindi siya recovery.
Hindi ba Doc recovery?
The knowledge and capacities developed to effectively anticipate. Oo. To meaning preparing,
pala.
no? To anticipate, to respond to its future. So it's preparedness rather than recovery and rehabilitate. May mahuhulog. May nahuhulog talaga.
Kung na-scam tayo.
Jang now on the first, James second, Hunter on the third. Lorena, welcome. And let's go. Okay, next. Question 6. These are the actions taken directly before, during, or immediately after a disaster. Okay, the answer is response. Response. How do you respond to the actions directly before, during, or immediately after the disaster? Emergency response ang tawag doon. Okay? Jang 5-2, Hunter 4-5. Let's go for 3, Ayorn. Wow, Ayorn, welcome to the top 5 scoreboard. 4-2 and Elers 4-2. May mga matitinding kalaban na humahabol. Okay, next question 7. The restoration. Okay, the clue word here or the keyword is the restoration.
For the function.
Okay, all of you got the correct answer. It's prevention. Next, and mitigation. Jang, Hunter, let's go, Elern, and James. Welcome to the top board. And may recognize si Bev Valenzuela is the highest climber. Question 8. The Philippines is ranked blank of year 2021 according to the World Risk Index report. What is the rank of the Philippines in 2021 among the world most risk country? Majority of you got the correct answer. We are ranked 9 among the world risks. Galing nyo alam nyo talaga. Okay, still Jang, Learn, Hunter. Okay, Lords, welcome to the top 5.
Bakit wrong sa akin? 9 yun.
Wrong ka, ma'am?
Do, yung akin ay yung sagot ko, pero mali.
Check yung sagot ko na. Pero wrong din.
Wrong din po sa akin.
Mali din.
Rank 9 din yung sagot ko pero wrong.
O kahit
Oo,
ako
so.
sa number
Walang
9
sama
yung
naman
correct,
niya. Bakit kayo ni Wrong?
pero wrong.
Ko alam.
Yes.
Oo.
O sir,
Ano natin sa summary? Baka na...
Assess phenomenon of human activity that
Opa.
may cause loss of life,
Basa.
health impact, or the damage. No.
Again, the answer is disaster. It's a process, phenomenon, or human activity that may cause the loss of life and other health impact.
Dok, bakit mali? Dok, bakit wrong din
Dinali
ako,
na
Dok?
naman.
Wrong din.
Mali po daw kung di sa akin. Tama naman yung sagot namin.
Ay, no. The answer is hazard pala. Hazard is the correct answer.
Okay.
Not disaster.
Okay.
Okay, Hunter now on the first place, Jang Jang second, Alert, Let's Go, and Dari. Welcome, Sir Dari. And Ma'am Jean Carbo is the highest climber. Last 5 questions. The potential loss of life, injury, and destroyed assets determine the probabilistically function of hazard, exposure, and vulnerability. Okay, it's not always kasi kung ano yung mataas na result, ayun yung check, no? You have to look into the check 1, and the check 1 is disaster risk. It's not disaster management or disaster risk reduction. We're only looking at the potential loss of life, how many percent of injury, and how much is the destroyed asset of a particular disaster, no? So Hunter 7-2, Jang Jang 7-1, Let's Go 6-7, Lourdes now is on the top scoreboard and learns. Mamay is the highest climber. Question 11, which DepEd aligned DRM action ensures that the students and the staff respond appropriately to a real hazard conditions? Okay, we do safety drills or earthquake drills. Jang Jang, Hunter, Let's Go, Lourdes. Dari is now welcome on the scoreboard, and Ma'am Emmy also is being recognized as the straight 3 correct answer. Question 12. A school located near an active fault line must prioritize which structural ARR impression. Okay, it should be a resistant earthquake rooms or materials. Majority of you got the correct answer. However, that scoreboard, walang napataob. Okay, walang napataob. Next, kabilisan ng kamay. It refers to the systematic process of using administrative directives, operational skills, capacities. Yan, hati kayo sa 4, no? However, the answer should be disaster risk reduction, DRR. Hunter, Let's Go, Dari, Jang Jang, Lorena, nakataob si Jang Jang, and Ma'am Rona, you have 3 correct answers in a row. Last 2 questions. The systematic effort to reduce the hazard impact through policies, strategies, mitigation is the answer. Hunter, Dari, Jean. Ang daming bago. Dari, Jean, Lorena, and Tia. Ayorn is, of course, come back with a 3 in a row slot. And the last question, DepEd recognized temporary safe location for students and staff during the hazards. What is this? If Evacuation site is the correct answer. Majority of you got it right. Okay, let's see who are the final top scorers for this game. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, the third place is Ma'am Jean Garbo. Congratulations for Daria on the second spot, and our last champion on Nali is Miss Hunter. Lorena and Totoy M are the fourth and fifth places. Congratulations. Who is Hunter? Sir, Sir, ano po complete name? Sir Nestor? Sir Richard. Sir Richard or Sir Nestor? Who's who? Sino pa yung mga gumamit na? Who is Let's Go? Hindi nila alam sino si Let's Go. Ay, may scores kayo. May first, second, ganun pala. Wow, si Ma'am Mary Lee, she was placed 45th.